Hello friends, welcome to Openstack training program lab 2. As I discussed in my previous lab, this is a network setting on our virtual machines which we created for our Openstack training. The first machine is controller. So IP space A will give you the IP address, and this is our NAT 10.0.0.10.0.2.15 is for internet, and the third Ethernet card which you see an ENP0S8, we need to configure this, and we need to configure the etc host file so that networking is allowed. So let's take a look at, let's go to that file /etc/sysconfig network scripts enp0 ifcfg -enp0 s8. We need to set this. So this is boot pro 2 is DHCP. We need to take it static, and then we need to make it yes so that it comes up at boot time, and the IP address we need to specify here now. IP ADDR IP address is equal to 10.0.0.11. This is our IP address. As you know, I configured the host only adapter of this series 10.0.0.1 series, right? So, and the net mask is equal to 255.255.255.0, and the gateway is equal to 10.0.0.2. This is the gateway. So this is the IP address, and this is the gateway, and we have configured the IP address. Systemctl restart network, and network should restart. And now if you see IP space A, you will get the IP address of this machine. You should be able to ping it, ping 10.0.0.11, and we should be able to ping this machine from the host machine also. That is the main objective. If it is not working, that means we have to set the firewall or something else is missing. Ping 10.0.0.11, that's a host machine. So we need to verify the firewall, if like, okay, we are able to ping the machine, we are able to connect to the machine. So we are able to connect from guest to the host and host to the guest. So that's what all. Next part is we need to work on the etc host file /etc/hosts. And mind it, this needs to be done for all the three nodes. The IP addresses need to be properly configured. So 10.0.0.11 is our controller, and then 10.0.0.31 is going to be our compute, and then 10.0.0.41 is going to be our storage. These are going to be our nodes, so we need to make the same settings in all the three systems, exactly same. 10.0.0.11 for controller, 10.0.0.31 for compute, and 10.0.0.41 for storage, and save it. And you see, restart your networking if you want, but that's not required. And same thing, let's go to the compute node also and do the same settings on the compute node. Here we are on the compute node. So vi/etc/sysconfig /network scripts ifcfg -enp0 s8. This is our second Ethernet card. So boot pro 2 static, then IP address 10.0.0.31. this is our compute node, right? And then of course, as I said, net mask is equal to 255.255.255.0, and gateway is equal to 10.0.0.2. that's the gateway. So IP address, net mask, and gateway, these are the three settings. On boot it should be yes, so that it comes up when you reboot your machine. So this is the setting for this. and now you can restart your network. System CTL restart network, and then verify the IP address, IP space A. Now you see, and you can ping the controller now from here with the IP address 10.0.0.11. You should be able to ping your controller, and you are able to do that. And same way we have to make changes into etc host file, because it is our compute node. Exactly same settings we need to do here also. 10.0.0.11 for controller, 10.0.0.31 for compute, and 10.0.0.41 for storage. These are the three nodes which we are going to use: controller, compute, storage. 10.0.0.11, 10.0.0.31 and 41. Fantastic. This part is also done. So now we can ping with controller, CONTROLLER. We should be able to ping. Same way from controller we should be able to ping this. Ping compute, right? And from here also, if you have configured etc host file on your Windows machine, exactly same should work from here also. Ping controller, and that's it. Why? Because I have configured etc host file in Windows also. It is under Windows directory under drivers, and etc folder is there. You can check Google how to configure it here. And now, which means I can connect it from my putty also, which I have configured here. Controller and load and IP address. Now you just be able to connect to that, and I'm connected from my host machine using putty also. So all networking part is complete properly on my compute and control. Exactly same way we have to do it on storage node also. So our storage network update is complete, and let's make the changes on this machine now. /etc/hostname, and this is storage node. Hostname is already done. Next is vi/etc/sysconfig/network scripts /ifcfg-enp0s8, and here we same thing we need to do here also, exactly same way. Static, and then IPADDR IP address is equal to 10.0.0.41, and net mask is equal to 10.255.255.255.0, and gateway is equal to 10.0.0.2. So net mask, IP address, gateway, these are the three settings, and on boot is equal to yes. So this is how we set it, and we need to make changes into etc host file also. And let's do that exactly same entry on this also. 10.0.0.11 is our controller. There's a typo, CONTROLLER, controller. 10.0.0.31 is for our compute. 10.0.0.41 is for our storage. Alright, 10.0.0.11 controller, 10.0.0.31 compute, 10.0.0.14 storage, and done. System CTL restart network, ORK. There's a typo, sometimes you have to be careful about it. So now you can ping controller, you can ping compute, and you can ping storage. This is all from storage node. Exactly, let's verify from other nodes. So here we are on the compute node. So ping controller, ping storage, ping compute. and this is verified from compute node. Let's try from the controller node also, same thing. Ping controller, ping compute, and ping storage. So our networking part is complete. We are able to ping all the machines from each other from using ping command, and we are able to connect through putty also. We are able to connect through putty. We are able to connect from host machine. Networking part is done. That's all for this lab. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Lab 3. Watch out for lab 3 because that's going to be very interesting and very important. In that we'll do all the prerequisites required for OpenStack training. All right. Thank you so much. Bye bye.